All right, hey everybody, this is the first segment of this vlog that we're doing. As I start my journey. Obviously, I'm in Paris now, and I guess that's not obvious. If you watch the podcast, we've prepped for this just a little bit. A few highlights real quick before I head to Disneyland Paris for my first time, and a little bit here. Just a quick recap of where we've been. I flew over here on JetBlue from Orlando. The cool thing about JetBlue, obviously, it's cheap. That was nice, but you get to fly out of Terminal C in Orlando, which is much easier with our current TSA situation. TSA was a breeze. I was through there in less than a minute. JetBlue stopped at JFK. JFK Terminal 5 has more construction walls right now than Walt Disney World. I mean, it's bad. There's nothing to do there. I was there for quite a while. And then you flew over on a narrow body, which is pretty rare for a transatlantic flight. Really comfortable, really nice. I enjoyed my time actually on that flight. It was pretty nice. I'm surprised. So anyway, one little thing, we had a little problem with the landing, had to go around. It's happened a few times in my life. Nothing major, but just noteworthy for travel. Took an Uber from Charles de Gaulle. That was something. You fight through a gauntlet of like fake taxi drivers or sketchy taxi drivers, and then you get an Uber. That was about $50 to get to my hotel, which is right now, I'm getting ready to check out, but I'm at the Moxy, which is near Tokyo Disneyland, or I keep saying Tokyo, I'm in the wrong country, Disneyland Paris. So got here, kicked around a little bit, walked around. It was very cold. And by very cold, I mean, it was only like 45, but with the wind, it was very windy and it was rainy. Being wet and having the wind blow on you when it's in the 40s when you're from Florida was pretty gloomy. Walked around a lot of walking. So on a map, if you look at where the Moxy Val d'Europa is, it looks like, oh, it's right there by Disneyland Paris. Maybe by some standards, but it was quite a while, about a 35-minute walk. Came back, hung out, went to a mall nearby to buy some, I forgot, like some hair stuff. That mall, Val d'Europa, is gigantic. So I've had a chance to kick around a little bit. We did have an early start to the day because, well, the fire alarm went off here at 6 a.m. But overall, I'm very excited. Today, we're going to Disneyland Paris. I've never been there, and I'm super stoked. Now that I've been around there, like all the areas outside the gate, the Disney Village area, which also lots of construction. Pretty pumped to check it out. I'm going to go over and check into Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel, get ready for the media event, which begins tomorrow. So stick with us throughout this vlog. I don't know if this is going to be its own episode or we're going to, mash this into the beginning of another episode because I don't have a whole lot of content here. We're going to have some soon though, so stay tuned as we start here. We work our way from Paris all the way to Tokyo and then back eventually in a few weeks back to Orlando. This is all while Tom is off in Asia on his adventures. So hopefully we'll have a lot of fun stuff for you guys to check out. We're going to give you a quick tour of the Moxy here near Disneyland Paris because this pops up. I get asked about this a lot because it pops up. They're fairly affordable. Moxy is a Marriott brand, and they're sort of trendy, very small rooms, affordable. I think it's $150 a night. I have to go in widescreen here because, like I said, the rooms are very small, but I think they're comfortable in my experience. This is about the third or fourth Moxy I've stayed at. The room's certainly bigger than the one I stayed at Manhattan. You come in, there's no closet, there's just a hanging rack, and obviously I haven't packed for 3 weeks, so I've got a lot of stuff with me. We're walking here. This will be a quick tour. You have a nice bathroom here. The shower has your shower amenities. Also, a nice sink, commode here. No artwork in here. If you haven't stayed in Europe before, you have the push button toilets where you figure out which button you push for which thing. But, spacious enough. A trend you'll see in Moxy, by the way, is they have these things hanging. So I've stayed in somewhere, their furniture was hanging on the wall. You'll see here, that's just your sort of luggage stand, hangs on a wall. You go in here and, but very utilitarian and small. So you can see the desk folds down over there. We'll get there in a second. Here's the bed. The headboard has these like leather pillows hanging from it. Leather cushions. Obviously some European outlets. Plus there looks like USB-A. I think there's a C in there too. Here, a little TV. We'll shelf a little coffee station. So you have coffee and water here. Hope I can figure that out later. Again, the fold down thing. I've seen this in other Moxys. You can sort of fold this down and attach this. I'm doing it one-handed. Attach the hook, so if you don't want to use the desk, you don't have to. I'm not sure what this is. Put stuff in there, I guess. Roll up a blanket, put it in there. And then again, you want to use the desk, you just flip this down. Little stool. Little table. Little couch. A little table. See what I have a view of here. It looks like there's a nice little garden down there. It is cold and rainy today. It's March, end of March. But it was 45 degrees and raining and very windy today. So that's it here for the Moxy here near Disneyland Paris. Val de Europa, I believe is called. Like I said, there are several Moxys in Paris. This one out by Disneyland Paris, I walked over there earlier today. It's a long walk, but walkable.
Bonjour, un thé.
Bonjour, un thé. All right, here's the little room. I just got done recording WDW News Today right here. There's my little setup. It says I have 5 hours and 16 minutes left to upload this. So I might go hit the town or something. And this whole area looks like a movie set. Like yesterday when I arrived, it was totally empty. Here's some cars anyway. But this all looks new and empty. It's really weird. Also, like no signs saying, hey, Disney's this way. It's almost like either they expect everyone knows the way, or they're like, we're not giving you any like public road signs to your business, which I guess makes sense. Okay, I was wrong about that. Parks, Disney. Also, this may not be interesting to anyone but me, but I noticed some signs with a red stripe on them. So when the sign has a red stripe, that means you're leaving this area. So Montalvran, we're leaving when you go past this intersection. Another red stripe thing. Most of these walkways are for bicycles and not pedestrians. We gotta walk over here. All right, I'm waiting for an Uber to the Hotel New York Art of Marvel. I'm not very far away, but I have, as you see, a lot of luggage. We're right here by let me turn it around, by the Croissanterie and the train station, La Gare. So I'm ready to check out Hotel New York Art of Marvel. Still very cold here. Uber situation is pretty easy in Paris though, just in case anyone's curious. All right, my first time on this one. It's supposed to be a good one.
Petit porc, tu peux pas l'atteindre, espèce de radical.
Grab his tail! Go on! Grab it! Lui fais pas peur!
A lot of this here. This is apparently Captain Nemo's room.
Extraordinaire. C'est une baleine à bosse.
And a big humpback at that. I venture it must be 30 tons or more. What's that?
C'est une mère avec son petit. Malgré sa taille déjà imposante, je dirais que ce baleineau n'est âgé que de quelques mois. Les baleines à bosse sont des créatures incroyables. Elles migrent plus loin que n'importe quel autre animal sur la planète.
That baby whale learned to swim within an hour of its birth. Just one of the extraordinary wonders of the undersea world.
D'autres créatures lâchent sur notre parcours, capitaine.
Let's have a look, shall we?
So collide and stay together. I'd hate to lose you so soon.
Les esprits ont décidé de vous laisser reprendre votre visite. Merci de rester bien assis. Spirits have decided.
Now the spiritual doom. A ravishing bride. A vanishing groom.
There you are. Welcome. Bonjour, un thé.
Bonjour, Arte. Un chat mange une pizza. I'm dying to find a cat eating pizza. Duolingo is the best.